This is gonna blow your mind. Look, we've all seen the movies. Robots become self-aware, decide humans are kind of the worst, and then it's all killer robots and us hiding underground wishing we'd treated Siri with a little more respect. Turns out, the reality might be less Terminator, more getting passed over for a promotion by an algorithm. Artificial intelligence, or AI for you cool kids, is no longer some sci-fi fantasy. It's here, it's getting smarter by the minute, and it's got its eyes set on your cubicle. Okay, maybe not specifically, but someone's cubicle, definitely. We're talking big changes in how we work, what jobs even exist. And yeah, a whole lot of people wondering if their career just got Zuckerberged out of existence. Stay tuned, because what you're about to discover might just blow your mind. This is gonna blow your mind. Here's a fun fact to drop at your next cocktail party, right before you get politely asked to leave. Experts predict that by 2025, we could be waving goodbye to a whopping 85 million jobs. Poof, gone. Thanks, AI. That's more people than the entire population of Germany suddenly out of work. Now, before you start building that underground bunker and hoarding canned goods, let's remember that experts also once predicted we'd all be flying cars by now. The point is, change is coming, and it's coming fast. Some jobs, the ones that involve a lot of repetition or crunching massive amounts of data, those are ripe for the AI picking. But hey, remember when ATMs came for bank tellers' jobs? Yeah, turns out we still have banks, and tellers, they just do different things now. I bet you didn't know how much AI is changing the corporate world. Corporations see the bottom line, and right now, AI is looking like a whole lot of green. Robots don't need health insurance, they never take vacations, and they don't unionize, yet, at least. So yeah, companies are jumping on the AI bandwagon faster than you can say efficiency. They're automating tasks left and right, from customer service to data analysis to, well, pretty much anything that can be boiled down to an algorithm. And hey, maybe this whole AI thing will eventually lead to a 4-day work week and robots serving us margaritas on the beach. Or maybe it's just gonna make a few billionaires even richer while the rest of us fight over the scraps. It's a coin toss, really. You need to hear this if you're in customer service. The industry's AI will transform. Remember those automated customer service lines that seem specifically designed to make you scream into the void? Yeah, AI is about to make those look like the good old days. Call centers, telemarketing, anything involving a script and a headset, kiss those jobs goodbye. But it's not just the low-hanging fruit that AI is coming for. Truck drivers, factory workers, even lawyers and doctors, they're all feeling the heat. If your job can be summed up in a series of repeatable steps, well, there's probably an algorithm out there learning how to do it better, faster, and cheaper than you can. You need to watch this if you struggle with the idea of future job security. Now, before we all descend into a full-blown panic attack, it's worth mentioning that the AI revolution isn't doom and gloom. Yes, jobs will be lost. But new jobs we haven't even imagined yet, will be created. The problem? Those shiny new jobs will probably require, actual skills, like coding and engineering and speaking fluent algorithm, not exactly skills your average laid-off factory worker or truck driver has just lying around. So we're looking at a potential future where a select few highly skilled tech wizards are living the dream, while the rest of us are left fighting over the scraps of whatever jobs the robots haven't gotten to yet. Sounds fun, right? Why are there not more people talking about the government's role in the AI revolution? So what's the solution to this impending AI apocalypse? Well, that's where things get a little murky. Some folks, the optimistic ones, bless their hearts, believe that the government will step in and save the day. They'll provide retraining programs, invest in education, and ensure a smooth transition to this brave new automated world. And then there's the rest of us, jaded and cynical from years of watching the government, being the government. We're not exactly holding our breath waiting for some magical government program to teach us all how to code in Python. And frankly, we're a little concerned that the folks in charge are more worried about staying in power than they are about preparing us for a future that's about to get very automated very quickly.